This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Beetle trunk without a key. First, check for an emergency release lever, often found near the driver's seat or in the glove compartment. Many models also feature a convenient button on the driver's side door panel. If these options aren't immediately visible, don't worry, there are other methods we can explore. This initial step covers the most common internal access points for your trunk. If internal options don't work, let's look at external methods. Your key fob might have a dedicated trunk release button. Give that a try. For some Beetle models, a discrete button is located near the license plate area, often integrated into the emblem. If all else fails, a professional locksmith can use specialized tools like a slim jim to safely open the trunk without damage. Always prioritize safety and avoid forcing anything. Sometimes, the issue isn't the lock itself, but the car's electrical system. A dead battery can prevent the electronic trunk release from functioning. Try jump-starting your Beetle to restore power. Also, it's wise to check the fuse box for a blown fuse, specifically for the trunk release mechanism. Replacing a faulty fuse is a simple fix that can quickly resolve the problem and get your trunk open. As a last resort, if your rear seats fold down, you might be able to access the trunk from inside the cabin. Once inside, look for a small manual release cable or lever, often brightly colored, which directly operates the latch. This method is usually effective when electronic systems fail. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying prepared is key, and these steps should help you regain access to your Beetle's trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.